Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another plan with me. This is actually from last week and I just filmed the one for the current week, which is also going to go up this week. So you guys are going to be getting quite a few plan with me's back to back, but just bear with me. I'm trying to get caught up. So this week I actually used the sunflower kit from my shop because I felt like it was the perfect transition from fall to summer. Although when you see the current week's plan with me, it's back to summer, but there's a reason for it. And I explained that in the video. You guys will have to wait for that one. So I am using the sunflower kit. I really, really love this kit. I think I've had this kit in my shop for the past 3 years now. Like I always bring it back. I really, really love it. I just love the artwork. I love just the vibe that it gives because it just gives the we're transitioning into fall kind of vibe. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited about fall. I am not excited about it getting dark outside early and that sort of stuff, but I am excited for a little bit cooler weather, for corn mazes, for Halloween, Thanksgiving, that sort of stuff. So I'm excited, but I'm also dreading the time change. Anybody else feel me? So getting into this week, this was the Labor Day week. So on Labor Day, James had that day off. I did end up working a little bit, but I took most of the day off and we just kind of chilled. So it was really nice and just a nice break. I feel like I've been really, really busy lately and it's just been kind of crazy. So it was nice to have just a day to kind of chill and relax and not worry about shop stuff, We actually did some shopping that day because I needed a few things. So we're going on a cruise at the end of this week for my sister's wedding, and I just needed a couple things for the cruise and stuff like that. So we ended up shopping a little bit, and then I put down this to-do list because I did do a couple shop-related things. If you guys have been watching some of my other videos, you know that I am doing my first planner event at the end of this month and I'm a vendor at it. So I have a lot of stuff to prep for that. And so at the bottom of this section, I did my to buy list because I had to buy several things. I had to buy more paper. I had to buy just stuff for the event. And obviously you can see what I'm writing down, but I kind of want to keep it all a secret. I'm going to share everything that I bought and everything that I've put together for this event in a behind the scenes vlog. So I'm really excited about that. I'm waiting for everything to come in and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm prepping for the event and everything. So that is the deal with that. So that's what I did on Monday. Like I said, not too much, but I did have to order a bunch of stuff and do a little bit of work on Monday. So on to Tuesday, it was payday because Monday was a holiday, so that meant that everything got pushed to Tuesday, and it was payday, and payday is one of my favorite days, so yeah. And then I also put down a half box to note that I was filming a plan with me. I don't think it was this plan with me that I was filming though. I think it was maybe my Print-Pression week's plan with me. I don't remember which plan with me, but I did film a plan with me on this day. And then I also put down my to-do list, which was again pretty long because I have a lot of stuff to get done this month. It's kind of crazy. I normally will have busy months and then I'll have a slow month, but I feel like since June, beginning of June, end of May, somewhere around in there, I have just been so busy, which I'm so grateful for. So thank you guys so much for supporting my shop and for supporting my YouTube channel. It has definitely kept me busy over the summer and I'm so grateful for it. I'm just trying to navigate it all and make sure that I get everything done and I don't let something slip because I have so much going on, if that makes sense. So I had quite a bit to do this day. I had to edit some videos. I had to upload some videos. If you guys didn't know, I started a cleaning channel that's dedicated only to cleaning stuff. And so I'm trying to get that up and running. And then I'm also trying to keep up with videos on this channel. And so I've just been busy with that and shop stuff. So I had a lot of editing and uploading to do on this day to keep up with my schedule, And then at the very bottom, I had to go to the post office because I had orders to drop off. And I also had like swaps and stuff like that from other shops. So that was fun, but I got it all taken care of and mailed out. So we're good now. Moving on into Wednesday, I actually slept in later than I normally do. I have been taking Benadryl for my allergies and it has just been wiping me out. I have switched back to my normal allergy medicine because I think I got it cleared up enough that I can just take my normal medicine and be fine. But I had to take Benadryl for like ever, I feel like. And it was just wiping me out. I was exhausted. I feel like it's made it very difficult to get my work done because I've been so tired and I haven't had enough energy to get stuff done. But like I said, I'm back on my normal allergy medicine, so I'm not as tired and I'm feeling pretty good now. But it was a struggle last week, let me tell you. So I also ended up filming on Wednesday. I filmed a Grove haul and then I filmed another sticker shop video, which that sticker shop video that I filmed on this day actually went up this morning for today. It's a like sticker shop talk video, and it is all about what to do during the slow season. So I'm giving tips on that. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave the video in the description box and you can check it out. So I also had to print a bunch of swag. I signed up to send swag to a couple different events, which was totally fine. But I did that not realizing how busy I would be during this time. I was thinking, oh, no problem. And it was like everything needed to be out at once. And I was just like, oh my goodness, like, okay. So I had a lot of swag that I had to print and cut and get mailed out. I also needed to design freebies because I was swapping with a bunch of other shops for a sale that is happening later this month, and I will give you guys more information later. But I had to design those freebies so that way I could get them to the other shops. And then I also had to run. James and I have been trying to run every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So wish me luck. I hate running, but I do think that I'm getting a little bit better at it. So that's good. And then I made the mistake. I meant to cancel our HelloFresh for this week. Not cancel, but like skip it, because I'm trying to just skip it until we get back from our cruise. And I forgot. And so it showed up on Wednesday and I was like, oops. But it kind of worked out because then I didn't have to meal plan or like do any grocery shopping. So that was kind of nice. But I was just like, I can't believe I did that, because I was trying to I'm trying to eat like as close to Whole30 style as I can before the cruise. I finished my Whole30, but I'm still trying to stick to it as much as possible. And even though HelloFresh still has healthy food, it's not completely Whole30. So that's why I was so bummed about it. I was just like, really? And because I forgot about it, I didn't even get to pick my meals because I thought I had skipped that week already. So that was my bad, but whatever. It's fine. So moving on to Thursday, I edited and uploaded my print pression weeks plan with me. I'm loving the print pression planner so far, and I think you guys are really loving that video. So thank you guys so much for your support on that video. But I do really love that planner, and I think it's just super functional, and I love that I can use my Erin Condren stickers in it. So after that, I had to film a plan with me this is when I was filming this plan with me. I filmed this plan with me, and then I also filmed my September monthly plan with me, which will be going up probably after this one. Like I said, I'm behind, and so you're gonna get a lot of plan with me's to get caught up, but just bear with me. I'm definitely gonna have other content, not just planner stuff, but there will be quite a few planner videos in the next few days. So I also needed to cut some more stock and print some stuff and design. So I'm cutting, whenever I say I'm cutting stock for the event that I'm a vendor at. And so I'm just cutting stock to make sure I have stuff if people want to buy my stickers in person and they don't have to wait for me to ship them or anything. So I'm just trying to make sure I have a decent amount of stock and can share with you guys. So That's why I'm like cutting and printing so much stock. I also had a massage at 4 that day, and guys, my back was the best that it's been in so long. I'm so grateful because if you guys know, I have had a lot of back issues in the past couple years, and so I actually got like a nice relaxing massage instead of a massage where we're trying to like figure out why I have this muscle knot or this muscle knot or whatever. So it was a really nice massage. And my back's better, so that's awesome. And then we move on to Friday. James had the day off because he gets every other Friday off. So this week was kind of weird because I feel like even though I worked, I still didn't get everything done because it's really hard to get stuff done when James is home because we're either going somewhere, doing something that like we can't do during the week, like shopping for certain things or whatever, or like I just want to chill and like sit and watch Netflix all day with him, you know, because we don't get to do that during the day because we're both working. So it was just kind of nice to relax, but also like I felt like this week was just kind of weird, you know. Also, I said this is going to be a cleaning day, but guess what? Guess what didn't happen, you guys? Yeah, the cleaning did not happen on Friday, and neither did, like, nothing that I had on here happened on Friday, sadly. I also wanted to upload my Grove haul, which that went up Sunday night on my cleaning channel. It did not go up on Friday. Pretty much most of what I marked down for the weekend didn't happen. It was kind of a weird weekend because like I said, I was on Benadryl, and so I was so exhausted. But on top of that, I was like super like sad and just felt really, really down, which was not good. So I think it was just the Benadryl because like I said, now that I've switched back to my other allergy medicine, I'm feeling a lot better. So it was probably just that I was taking Benadryl, you know, and feeling really tired, but I just felt so emotional this weekend, and like everything was making me sad, and it was ridiculous. But we did end up going to church, so I did put that on Sunday. That did happen. We went a little later because I overslept, because Saturday night I didn't sleep at all. It was awful. Like, it was such an awful sleep night for me, and so I was exhausted on Sunday. So we didn't go to first service, but we did go to second service. And then on Saturday, we also went to IKEA because we're trying to figure out if we want to get a new couch. And I know what you're thinking, like, why would you go to IKEA to get a new couch? We checked a bunch of furniture stores, like where we live, and everything was like more than we really wanted to pay. And honestly, like, it wasn't, like, for the price, it should have been way more comfortable. So we ended up going to IKEA just to see what they had, and we found one that was pretty comfortable, and it was honestly like a pretty good price. And so I don't know if we're going to get that or not, but we are thinking about switching up our couch because if you guys know, if you've watched any of my other videos, as much as I love our couch, I don't love it at the same time. It's huge. It doesn't fit in our apartment right, and so it's not even hooked up together. Like, all the pieces are not hooked up together because there's not a way for us to do that and have it still fit in the room that it's in. And also, I hate that it's so dark. Like, it is so dark. Like, it just darkens up the room, and I don't like it. I like the couch, but like at the same time, I don't like it. And so James bought it like the year before we got married. And so, you know, when we got married, he already had a couch. He already had all of his furniture. And so pretty much all the furniture in this apartment is not mine. Like, I mean, it's mine, obviously, because I married James, but it's not mine in the sense, like, I didn't pick it out, because I would have picked like lighter colored wood. I would have picked a lighter couch, you know, so I'm kind of excited at the thought of getting a new couch and getting it to lighten up, and, you know, but that's what we did on Saturday. We ended up going to IKEA, which was a lot of fun. I didn't mark it in the planner because that wasn't even in the plans for Saturday until Saturday morning, and we were just like, hey, let's go to IKEA. So that's pretty much what happened this week. It was kind of a weird week, like I said, because I pretty much only had 3 working days, and I was also just really out of it because I was taking Benadryl. So it was just kind of a weird week, but it was still really good, and I still wanted to share this plan with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys like planner content, sticker shop content, pretty much everything. I do a little bit of everything. I'm also going to link my cleaning channel down below if you guys like cleaning videos. I will link that so you can check that out as well. All right, guys, so that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
You'll be done.